Here we have a 2005 Skoda Fabia. It's fitted with the 1.2 3-cylinder petrol engine and it's got roughly 78,000 miles on the clock. Right, one of the jobs I'll be doing today on this Fabia is an air filter, which you will find in the bottom part of this plastic cover. It's got a box on the underside. So we'll start by removing this cover. Now this should just pull off, he says. That's it. It's like a ball and socket arrangement. You can see here we've got an emissions hose which needs to come off. That just pulls off. That's the connection there to the inlet, the throttle body. On the underside, yeah, you can see these rubber sockets here, and corresponding side there's like a peg that just pushes in. Quite simple. Right, so we've got this cover upside down now, and you can see here's the box where the air filter element is fitted. It looks like we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Phillips screws. So I'll just undo those. I don't think they'll come right out. Fairly easy one to take apart, really. A little bit of debris, but not much. As it's part of the service, we will be replacing this anyway. I mean, you could bang it out and get a lot of the loose bits out, but this is included in the service, this item. So while this is out, it's a good idea to give the airbox a bit of a clean out. As you can see, there's a couple of bits in there, nothing too much. Just give that a dust out before the new filter goes in. As you can see, there is a slight colour difference there from the old one to the new one. I've given this a bit of a wipe out, got the loose debris out. So this isn't a genuine Skoda filter. You should be able to pick one of these up for around about between £10 and £15 for an aftermarket one. Just take your registration number along to wherever you use for the parts, and they'll be able to look up and recommend a part suitable for your particular engine. Right, so on this side, it's got some lugs that locate into these slots, these 3 slots. So we need to get those lined up first. I think that's it. Oh, there it goes. Then just do the screws back up. There's not a very good screw in there. That's it. Next we'll refit it to the engine. Right, so as I said, when removing it, they've just got the like the ball and socket arrangement to attach it to, and you need to line this up with a throttle body, and not forgetting to plug this emissions hose back on. Everything is just a push fit, so it's quite simple. That's it. I think that little clip there is probably meant to go in there. Yeah. And that's it. One air filter done.